Hey, I am Johanna. I'm of Twin Flames Traveling Within. Welcome in my new video. And today we're gonna talk about the one thing that might be the big issue in your life, why you are where you are on your twin flame journey. And so, yeah, let's dive right into the topic. So, why are you where you are right now? So, most likely because we are human beings, we are beings who operate on habits, on routines, right? You have most likely a certain behavior ingrained in you or certain, yeah, things that you do on a day-to-day basis. And so what I want to say here is, like, the twin flame journey requires you to change. The twin flame journey requires you to do the steps that are important to make your dreams come true. You know, it's like Jeff and Shaleia say in Twin Flame Ascension School, with every choice, you need to say no to the old model and say yes to the new model or to your dream. You know, because let's say if your goal is Harmonious Twin Flame Union, but let's say you don't put in the effort, you don't do the things that you know are very important to reach that dream. Let's say, you know, okay, if you want, let's say to, manifest your Harmonious Twin Flame Union, you know, it would be important to watch the classes of Twin Flame Ascension School, Life Purpose class, would be important to watch their sermons, would be important to study the teachings of Jeff and Shaleia as much as possible. Then, you know, it's important that you do your inner work daily. And so if you know all those things, it's very important that you do all those things as well and that you implement them in your life. Because the truth is, like, things can only change in the outer world if we change within. And that not only means like changing your consciousness, it also means changing your behavior, changing your actions, maybe a change in your priorities as well, or where your energy or your focus goes. And so if you, let's say, for example, if you're not willing to change, if you're not willing to do what is necessary to reach your dream, and you, let's say, keep holding on to the old, and you're very resistant to do what is required to reach your dream, yeah, like, you're choosing stagnation, you're choosing to stay the same. And if you choose to stay the same, you will only get what you have been getting. That's really it, because there's a process, a spiritual process that is required for you to reach your dream. That not only means that it's a spiritual process within, it also means that spiritual process also happens on the outside. It needs to be one, right? It needs to also be reflected on the outside in terms of whether you take the aligned actions, the aligned habits, changes in your life. Do you do them because you truly want that? Let's say when you choose to reach your dream of, let's say, Harmonious Twin Flame Union, you want to be supported each step of the way. And so in order for you to reach that dream, I can invite you to get clear on what are your habits, or how do you do certain things? Are you spending your energy or your time very wisely? Are you investing it into the right thing? And it's really important to look at that and to have the clarity about it, because that's really sometimes the first step that, other than choosing our dream, our goal is really having the clarity. Okay, what does need to change? What does need to change within me? And which action steps, or yeah, what does that all entail, right? That change within me. If I want, let's say, a change in the outside, what does need to change? Like in yourself, in your behavior, in your habits, in your day-to-day life, how you conduct things. Like, it's really important to look at that so that you have the most smoothest transition and that you can reach your dream of your harmonious twin flame union, because you deserve to be supported in it. And so it's a process, but it's definitely a process of change that is required when you embark on the twin flame journey, or when you embark on your journey to your dreams. And it's really that if you're not willing to change, then yeah, that and then the outward change will not happen. That's impossible. So yeah. And also, if you would like further support on changing yourself, changing your life, changing how you do things in order for you to reach your harmonious twin flame union, if you would love to have some guide, basically, if you want to have a coach who helps you to change your life and who helps you to reach your harmonious twin flame union and your perfect life, then please feel free to reach out to me. Either you can click in the description box on the link below where you come to our website, or send me a comment down below, write it down, or reach out to me via email. I'm more than happy to hear from you. I'm more than happy to help you, because I know your dream life is absolutely possible, and your dreams, all it takes is sometimes just awareness, and then also, of course, self-discipline it will require, and yeah, and your will to do it, and your belief in yourself to do it, and yeah, to go all in. So if you would like support with that, please reach out to me. I'm more than happy to help you. I offer twin flame ascension coaching. I can help you with your life purpose and with any dream that you have. And so if this spoke to you, please give it a like to this video, subscribe to my channel, or comment down below. And yeah, I'm very grateful for you, and I see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.